Okay, so Greg is fixing John's mower. We shall have a look what he's doing. You never know, we might learn something. You know, every time I see our old videos, you're always wearing the same shirt. Always.
It's not the same shirt. It's the same type of shirt. Don't tell me it's the same
It's like
shirt.
as if you've never changed. What are you doing there, Darwin?
Changing the drive belt.
Where is the belt?
Here's the old one.
Oh. What happened to it?
It's
Oh,
stuffed.
This is the one that he's just got fixed
That's right.
not so long ago. Jealous. Where's the new one?
Underneath there.
You already done it?
No, I'm going to do it. I'm looking for
So you mean to say maybe they did not change it? Maybe it's still the old one.
No, I think they did change it, but they
It's
put it on
ridiculous.
wrong or something.
So they it was like twice
Yeah,
he had this done.
This is the third time it's going to get done.
So this one here, actually, you ordered the belt from. It came
England.
from England,
That's right.
and so hopefully this
The
will.
new one's underneath.
Where is it?
There it is there.
As if I know what I'm looking at.
See the round thing that looks like a...
The snake,
Yes,
the gray one.
yes.
How do you know that it will be better than the other one?
Because I do. Because I got a better one.
And how much did it cost, the belt? Do you know?
Oh,
This looks like a lot bigger than your mower.
it's a little bit bigger.
Look how chunky it is. I like the color though. Orange.
It's got nothing to do
Very
with
good.
colour.
Maybe I should try it around the back before you give it back to him. See how it feels. Right?
What you want to do?
Do I, what you call that? What they you know, you step on the brake right down and and it will flip over, you know. I should wear a helmet. I should wear a helmet while I'm riding it.
You'll wear a helmet in a minute.
Oh look at the seat. Cool.
It's the same as my
Oh,
seat.
is it the same as your seat?
Jesus.
I love the color.
It's got nothing to do with the colour.
John should polish this like what he does with his car. Oh, it's a bit windy, but cloudy, windy, but it's very muggy. I think I should go and have a shower now, so we can. After you finish that, we go and have do a bit of shopping, yeah, because we might run out of toilet papers because
Oh,
people
rubbish.
are going crazy shopping again because of this. There could be lockdown again. You never know, because the premier said that there could be another lockdown. What?
How many rolls of toilet paper do you go through a day?
One.
You've got 2 bloody big packets in there.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, good.
Because if you run out of toilet papers, you can use the serviette. Because, or the paper towels. That's bigger. maybe we should get the paper towels. Yeah.
No comment, dear.
For those, you know, emergency purposes. Oh dear. Anyway, good luck.
Yes.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna fix it before we go shopping, and then you're gonna give it to him before we go, or what?
Yeah, hopefully. If
So-
we don't go shopping today, we can go tomorrow.
Tomorrow, early morning, before the shop opens, because there could be a queue, you know, to get in. All right. Okay.
You are unbelievable.
Get it fixed, because you are the fixer anyway.
Unbelievable.
Even if I watch you there all day, I would not have. It will not register in my head, because my head has got is in full capacity now.
Yeah,
It's already-
in full capacity with artwork.
It's it doesn't want to accept any more information about anything that needs fixing.
Really.
All right.